To clean all of the sensors on Roborock S8 Plus, first of all, grab something like a paper, or do not use toilet paper, it's maybe kitchen paper, or a towel like this. And when you have that, you can use a cleaning solution for cleaning LCD screen, or even the windshield cleaner, so anything of that sort. Then spray a bit onto that tissue and spread it out nicely. Now we have that thing ready to clean the sensors, and now let's find all of them. So on the robot you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sensors on the bottom. So grab your towel and then start swiping them. If you're fast enough, you can clean all of them using that solution, and then make sure to use the dry part and also swipe them so they are nice and clean. Of course, I'm doing this as the presentation, so I'm not paying attention to actually clean them properly. You can take your time and actually clean them much better. Then you can take the front of your robot right here, and you can clean this area as well. So make sure it's fully cleaned, and that way we've cleaned all of the sensors. On the back there's no sensor, so you can let that go. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.